Hello kids, I Sarika Gupta, class teacher of LKG, welcome you all in the online class of Divine Public School. Hope you all are healthy and safe. Children, today I am going to teach you EVS and the topic is insects. Kids, do you know what are insects? I am telling. Insects are small animals. They do not have bones. Most of the insects have 6 legs. We find insects on trees, on grass, and sometimes even in the house. There are different types of insects. They are of different colors and sizes. So children, we will read and know about the insects given in your book. This is your picture dictionary book. Open page number 25. Insects. This is a butterfly. Butterflies are beautiful flying insects with large, scaly, beautiful wings. They have 6 jointed legs, 3 body parts, a pair of antennae and compound eyes. The 3 parts of bodies, the head, the thorax and the abdomen. Butterfly's body is covered by tiny sensory hair. Butterflies eat a variety of fruits like banana, watermelon, grapes, pear and many more, and drink nectar from flowers. This is a spider. Spiders have 8 legs and they are known for making silk webs to catch insects. Most spiders have 8 eyes. They found in many colors as black, brown and grey. Spiders' blood color is blue in color. This is a honeybee. Honeybees are small flying insects popularly known for producing sweet honey. Honeybees have 6 legs and 2 eyes. The color of honeybee is golden yellow, brown, black, etc. Honeybees have 4 wings which can stroke 220 times per second. A honeybee visits flower to flower and gather some of its nectar. Honeybees collect nectar from many flowers and then prepares sweet honey from it. This is a cockroach. Cockroaches are found almost everywhere in the world. Cockroaches have a flat oval body that is black or brown in color. They have 6 long spring legs, wings, antennae and compound eyes. Cockroaches are considered pets and they carry many diseases. This is an ant. The ant is a small but active insect. It has 6 legs, 2 stings and a head. It has an active sense of smell. They likes to eat sweet things. They store food for future. They are always busy and they always go in a queue. This is a beetle. Beetles have hard shell, 4 wings and 6 legs. Beetles come in many sizes, shapes and a lot of colors. It can be bright yellow, green, red, orange or purple. They can have stripes or spots. Some beetles cause a lot of damage by eating crops, wood and food. Other helps us by pollinating crops or eating harmful insects. This is a ladybug. Ladybugs have oval, dome-shaped bodies. They have 6 legs. Depending upon species, they can have spots, stripes or no marking at all. They smell with their feet and antennae. Ladybugs are very helpful. They eat aphids and mites. Aphids and mites are harmful to the plants. This is a dragonfly. It has 3 distinct segments: head, thorax and abdomen. As in all insects, dragonfly has a large antennae. It is dominated by the 2 compound eyes which cover most of its surface. Dragonfly don't sting and generally don't bite people. Dragonfly can fly straight up and down like a helicopter. This is a mosquito. Mosquitoes are small flying insects. They are found almost everywhere in the world. Female mosquito pierce skin and suck the blood from animals and human body. A mosquito has a soft body with a hard cover, 2 narrow wings, 2 antennae, 6 hairy legs and a long mouth. Malaria is caused by mosquito bites, so we must use mosquito coil, net, etc. to save ourselves from mosquito. This is a wasp. A wasp is a winged insect. It has slim body. It has 6 legs, 3 body parts, head, thorax and abdomen. Wasps love fruits. The reason behind wasps' attraction to fruits is the high sugar content. This is a cricket. It is light yellowish brown in color and exhibit 3 dark bands atop their head. Some crickets have wings and some species are wingless. They have flattened bodies and long antennae. Crickets are not known to be harmful or dangerous. It may feed on fabrics like cotton, silk, wool, fur and linen. This is a grasshopper. A grasshopper is a kind of insect. They are green in color. They live on grass and on land. They eat leaves, vegetables and plants. They are known as plant-eater insects. Grasshopper's body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax and abdomen. Its ear is located on its abdomen. These are silkworm. The silkworm is the larva or caterpillar of the Bombyx murray moth. Moth is important because it makes silk. They are reared for the production of silk. Silkworm eat mulberry leaves. Silkworms cannot fly. Silkworms have small mouth. Your today's homework is learn and recognize the name of insects given on page number 25 in your picture dictionary book. Thank you.